Alright, now that we've installed our inferior planet gears on our main gear, we're going to grab the Sun axle rod and the Mercury axle rod and the Venus axle rod and the date plate, and we're going to attach them to this assembly. We need to get the main axle. The main axle has a couple of flat spots milled on it on either end, and where that flat spot is, you'll feel it's a little bit rough going on the axle, and that makes an ideal device to clean out the inside of the axles. During the process of 3D printing, there may be some little pieces, artifacts left over inside this Sun axle rod, and you'll need to take and ream that out with the main axle. And also this hex keyed shaft, you'll need to push it through several times to make sure you get all the little artifacts cleaned off. And then I like to leave the main axle in it for the remainder of the time as we build. So we'll need our date plate standoffs, and we'll come in here and we'll put our Sun axle rod over the main axle, and we'll grab the Sun gears right there like that, and we'll take our Mercury and slide it on, and grab our Mercury drive rod, and we'll get our Venus and we'll slide our Venus on, and it'll get on this Venus drive rod just like that. And now our gears will actually drive the axle rods so that our planets can accelerate and decelerate. And then we'll put our date plate on over. But first we're going to put our standoffs on our date plate. We'll use some number 2 by 3/8 screws, and I'll have to find the screwdriver that fits them like that. And we'll attach the date plate to the date plate standoffs with these screws, just like that, nice and snug. Careful not to over tighten and strip them out.